In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete installed games on your PS5. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's actually super easy to go ahead and do this, and there's two methods for this, so I'll be showing you both of them. The first one is, let's say I want to go ahead and delete Roblox. I can go ahead and press my options button, and then I'm going to see a few options, but I'm going to see delete as one of the options. So I could go ahead and do this, but I can also keep it on home if I wanted the app icon to still be here, but I could go ahead and delete it right here. Now, let's say if you want to save some storage and you want to see exactly what's taking up the most storage so you can delete accordingly, what you could do is go over to the top where it has your settings wheel icon. From here, scroll down to storage, which is under system, then go to console storage. Then you're going to see games and apps as the first option. So go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you're going to see all the different games and applications that you have downloaded on your PS5. So you can see what's, taking up the most storage and anything like that. I can sort it by something specific if I want to as well by pressing this little icon over here. And then over here, I'm basically going to be able to choose anything I want. For example, if I wanted to go ahead and delete Marvel Spider-Man 2, or Call of Duty, since that's taking up 190 gigabytes, I could go ahead and select whatever I want. And then all I got to do is press delete right here. And then that's it. It's going to be deleted from my console. I'm not going to do it, obviously, because I don't really want to do that. But yeah, it's literally that simple. I'll show you an example with Wuthering Waves. All you got to do is select it, press delete. Then it's just going to say it's going to be deleted. Then go ahead and press OK. And then it's going to be deleting, and it's as simple as that.